Wadau welcome to yet another video. Now, if you're like me, I'm sure this is you seeing snow falling for the first time. Now, for those that have been asking what snow feels like, you see the inner part of the like a frost fridge. If you take a fridge and then you take the ice from it, yeah, basically that's how snow is. And then after a few minutes, it fills up the whole place. So yeah, just a few minutes. Now this can turn from this to this. Yeah, even everywhere. Like at I was there, me, and then the roads get even icy. So how do you deal with such cold? Unaingia pale kwanza. If you find somebody that is watching this video and they are not subscribed, you give them one too. Then I just experienced daylight saving for the first time ever. One thing I've learned is that Americans really take sports seriously. Because can you imagine, bro, that this is a stadium for just a school where college competition happens? I'm telling you, bro, if Kenya builds such, even like Kasongo will come to launch that place. But here, this is just a normal facility for schools to come and do like school competitions and everything. Yeah, man. So let's enjoy some basketball and then we'll continue with the rest of the video. I hope you like the match. So before you guys start crucifying me, there is more basketball content coming up. Since February was Black History Month, we decided to celebrate it with celebrating Black culture. So we had an amazing Unity Ball where I got to dress up, go out, get to dance. Yeah. So you can see me there showcasing my skills. They are jumping up and down, up and down. All the efforts from Quiver and Ibiza. Now we have a place where we can implement those skills. Yeah, so this was our Unity Ball party. I wanted you guys to like listen to the music, but because of copyright issues, we're not gonna do that. Yeah, man. So people came out dressed to kill, looking all sweet and fresh. Yeah, man. My friend there going about akiendeleza injili ya Kasongo. Yeah, this event was an amazing event organized by the Black Student Union. It was a very pretty nice event. But then here comes the East African dance performance. Shake that thing. If I say that, you know what that song is. It was a very nice event. We had lots of fun. And I'm looking forward to the next one. So I guess I'll just watch you guys to enjoy the rest of the video. Now look at you watching this video and you have not even subscribed, and I'm here embarrassing myself trying to dance. Anyway, you must represent na tuanguke nayo. Now, since I know most of you don't really watch these videos until the end, so we might as well put the embarrassing parts at the end, because I know none of you is going to see this. Man, we are trying to dance some Ethiopian songs or this Eritrean songs or something. Anyway, man's gotta do what man's gotta do. But it was nice. We enjoyed the performance. It was amazing. It was a nice experience. So as you continue watching this video, like, subscribe, especially my people from Ethiopia and Eritrea. Man, I really tried. So you guys gotta subscribe. Apart from that, yeah, this was an African event where we were showcasing African culture. And also after that, Pia, we go and play some FIFA. Bruno Cunha, go. Yeah, man. Gotta enjoy life. Save the $2 pale. Yeah, some beautiful sceneries from USD. And some beautiful night shots there. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you on the next one, man. And tell a friend to tell a friend.